Hello, everyone. My name is John Doberstein. I'm senior editor at No-Till Farmer. And today I have with me Pam Marrone, who is executive chair and co-founder of Invasive Species Corporation, and she will be a keynote speaker at the National No-Tillage Conference. Pam, just to lead in, how would you describe the state of biologicals in the ag industry now compared to where it was 5 or 10 years ago?
Well, biologicals are now mainstream. So 5 or 10 years ago, they were emerging, but now the size of the market is such that it's about 10% of the total crop protection market. So that's getting pretty sizable. It's in several $billion. So that's where we're at now.
hmm Uh, in your talk, what's happening in biologicals for pest management and plant health? What are some of the key points that you'll be looking to share with attendees during that talk?
If if you look at the innovation in biologicals, there's about 70 to 80 new active ingredients for crop protection going through the EPA and only about 8 or 9 new synthetic chemicals. So that means that there's going to be many fewer chemicals, as we know, on the market, and that will be replaced by biologicals. So by 2040, the biologicals market will be as big as the chemical market if you look at the growth of the biologicals and the growth of the chemicals. So they'll cross over. But that said, about half of all farmers in surveys that I've seen and around the globe continuously always says that about 50% of all farmers still don't know anything about biologicals, are not aware of them, don't know how to use them, and if they have heard of them, are not confident in using them. So there's still a lot of work to figure out how to educate farmers and how to properly use biologicals because they have very different modes of action than chemicals.
Right, right. So I know at the No-Till conference you'll be moderating our first ever Shark Tank style uh, presentations on new products from ag entrepreneurs, and you're going to be moderating that session. We're really excited about that. Tell me a little bit about the importance of entrepreneurs in the ag industry and how important they are to the development of new technologies that farmers can use.
Yeah, there's still many big problems to solve. And so the innovation is coming from the startups and the entrepreneurs. The big companies have said, that's not what we do well. So we'll fund through our corporate venture capital startups. And then when the startups de-risk themselves and show that they have something promising, then the big companies buy the startups. And that's the kind of the ecosystem that's happening now. So since most of the innovation is coming from startups, the startups are really critical to keeping that innovation going.
hmm Right, great, great. For people, attendees, that aren't very familiar with your position at Invasive Species Corporation, tell me a little bit about that company and what you guys do.
Well, I'm a serial entrepreneur, and this is my fourth startup in the biological space. And Invasive Species Corporation started up to spin out a product for controlling invasive mussels, zebra, quagga, and now golden mussels in water. But then we started our discovery program for attacking weeds. And so we're really focusing on a bioherbicide, and that's our main priority of the company right now, in addition to controlling the invasive mussels.
Right. Well, that sounds very fascinating. I know you've been in the industry a long time, and we're really excited to have you at the conference. I've been wanting to bring you in for a number of years, and we're really great, really glad to have you.
Well,
So,
I'm excited about giving an update on biologicals. There's a lot happening. It's a very dynamic, fast moving industry.
yeah, absolutely, absolutely. Pam, it's a pleasure talking with you, and and we're looking forward to having you on stage at the 34th annual No-Till conference. For the latest deals on registration and hotel rooms at the National No-Tillage Conference, please go to notillconference.com and check it out now.
Great to be there. See you soon.